Sure, let's dive into the basics of JavaScript for beginners. Hey there, fellow learners. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages out there. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting your journey, JavaScript is a language that you can't afford to miss. So, let's get started. First things first, what is JavaScript? It's a high-level, dynamic, and interpreted programming language that's primarily used for client-side scripting in web browsers. It's easy to learn and has a wide range of applications, making it a great choice for beginners. Now, let's talk about the basics. JavaScript is a scripting language, which means it's used to add functionality and interactivity to web pages. It's often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create dynamic web applications. One of the key features of JavaScript is its event-driven programming model. This means that JavaScript code is executed in response to events, such as a user clicking a button or scrolling down a page. This makes JavaScript a great choice for creating interactive and responsive web applications. JavaScript is also a dynamic language, which means it can be used to manipulate objects and variables at runtime. This makes it easy to create complex applications that can adapt to user input and other changes. Now, let's dive into some of the basics of JavaScript syntax. JavaScript is a case-sensitive language, so you need to be careful about upper and lower case. It's also important to note that JavaScript is a loosely typed language, which means that variables can be assigned any type of value. JavaScript also has a wide range of built-in objects and functions that can be used to manipulate data, perform calculations, and more. Some of the most commonly used built-in objects include arrays, strings, and numbers. Finally, let's talk about some of the key concepts in JavaScript. These include variables, functions, objects, arrays, loops, and conditionals. Understanding these concepts will give you a solid foundation for creating complex and interactive web applications. And that's it for today's crash course in JavaScript for beginners. I hope you found this overview helpful and informative. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!